Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Green Mountain Ginseng and Ontario Ginseng Growers Association, we'd like to welcome you all here today at the iconic MOTT 32 to join us for this monumental milestone and such a much deserved celebration.
Today we gather here not only to indulge in refined taste and innovative pairings, but we're also here to celebrate the incredible journey of an ingredient, Canadian ginseng.
On behalf of the entire Ontario Ginseng Growers Association, we want to extend our sincerest congratulations on the remarkable milestone of Great Mountain Ginseng's upcoming history.
We are proud to be partnering with MOTT 32 to launch a partnership with them. Now we begin a new chapter, a story where ginseng moves from the apothecary to the fine dining table.